That certain night, the night we met, there was magic abroad in the air. There were angels dining at the Ritz, and a nightingale sang in Berkeley Square. I may be right, I may be wrong, but I'm perfectly willing to swear that when you turned and smiled at me, a nightingale sang in Berkeley Square. The moon that lingered over London town, poor cousin moon, he wore such a frown. How could he know we two were so in love? The whole darn world went upside down. Streets of town were paved with stars. It was such a romantic affair. And when you turned and smiled at me, the nightingale sang in Berkeley Square. How strange it was, how sweet and strange. There was never a dream to compare with that hazy, crazy night we met, when a nightingale sang in Berkeley Square. This heart of mine beat loud and fast, like a merry-go-round in a fair, and we were dancing cheek to cheek when a nightingale sang in Berkeley Square. When dawn came swelling up our dawn and blue to enter up our rendezvous, I still remember when you smiled and said, was that a dream or was it true? Oh, my steps were just as light as the dancing feet of a stair, and like an echo far away, a nightingale sang in Berkeley. That night in Berkeley, that night in